Just heading to 192. The car may open to some of the other vanners are out there. Anyways, welcome back to Custom Clear Images Paint Studio. Custom Van Life. I just left work and on the way to 192. So, it's a gorgeous, beautiful day out. Sun's right up there, right above us, guiding us along. Yep. Talk to you in a sec. Yeah, 192 should be busy tonight with that sun out. Yeah. Everything looks beautiful, not a cloud. Way over there, south, that's about the stage. But up here, nice and blue. So, you know. Yeah, can't wait. Might do some airbrushing tonight, pinstripe in. We'll see what is all to do. Talk to you in a sec. I got my CB on channel 19, waiting to see if any vanners are out there. Hey, fellow vanners, any of you all cool dogs out there or anybody? Don't sound like anybody. I guess I'm the only vanner. Where are y'all? Check that thing out. Fucking massive. Nice. Just heading up the road, almost at 192 now. Talk to you in a sec. Anybody see that van? How many vans can you spot? I hate people with no turn signals. That pisses me off. Goodbye, buddy. There, do it to me, I do it right back to you. Here's another van. Oh yeah, it looks a little busy. We'll see in a sec. Talk to you in a sec. It's packing up. There's a lot of people already here. It's not even 5 yet. Oh yeah. Talk to you in a sec. This is a 192. There's a nice Chevelle over there, and It's the A&W parking lot, and yeah, more just keep coming in. Let's go see some nice cars. Remember, this van is being built into a show van. Soon, you'll be seeing me work on these fender flares. And that hood mural is getting redone. Let's go see. A little tea bucket. That's pretty cool. Let's see this Chevelle. Oh, Beaumont. Nicely done. It looks like a crate motor. It's inside. Yeah. Same as the Chevelle. Yeah? Hey.
No, me.
Oh, me? You wanted to talk to me.
My buddy.
Hold up. So, yeah, this is one that I saw the other night. It's pretty cool. I think it's a 69. Fully restored. SS. With the original houndtooth interior, which is rare. And of course it's an original pace car. That's 69. I knew it, 69. Didn't even look at the front headlights. The front headlights always give you away, so it's so easy. But that is nice. That is super nice. Yeah. So I just met up with a buddy of mine, CJ. Caught him, fucker. Oh, hey, whoops. So, yeah, we're just checking out the car show and taking a walk around. There's a C10 way down there. Wonder what other vanners show up. Oh, Giovanni just showed. Yeah, 69 Chevelle. The purple's nice. Yep. Yeah, that's custom. Yeah, no custom touch right there. There's a turn signal, that's not bad. It's pretty nice for sale. Oh yeah, full custom. Yeah. Nice and everything. Paint's nice. Fucking anybody that knows me knows I'm a Mopar fan. Yeah, it was lucky that van got me, because a Mopar would have always steals my heart. Taken by the head, so it's a 383. Yeah. How long you had her?
Long time.
Years? 20 years?
Decades.
Decades.
I'm 62.
You bought her new?
No.
Second, third?
No, I was only 6 when I was born this car. My older brother had one though.
Yeah.
So I had to have one. I stole his when I was 13. And he didn't catch me, thank God.
Yeah, original rally ones.
This
Yeah.
was green with a white vinyl roof and then a white piece red.
She got that Mopar smell. Oh, I love the.
Mine's faster.
Easy Riders.
Okay, so you
That's cool. Yeah, she smells totally vintage.
Hanging under there.
She's got that vintage Mopar smell. The leather.
It smells like a 60s car.
Totally. Totally.
Stick your head in there and smell. That's what a 60s smells like.
Yeah.
That's why he knows.
That. I grew up in a van or a Dodge Charger. So Mopars are not far from my heart.
You don't put a fucking air freshener in that car?
No, because that's the original smell from back then.
It'll make you remember shit from back there.
Yeah.
That's what it does to me. I get in it when my wife's not in it, and it's like I start.
Yeah.
I started out with a Dodge Dart when I was 16. It had the 340 and all the.
Yeah.
It was fast, 391.
Mopars have always held. It's like a red, blonde. You're with a redhead, but that blonde always takes your heart, your eyes. Yeah.
I've had Chevys and Mopars.
Yeah. Toyota.
Love this color.
383.
B5. That's the original.
B5, the original.
Right. So you restored it then?
You know me.
I just do mechanical. I don't do the pretty stuff. Yeah.
She's clean.
Pretty stuff.
That's pretty dang.
It is. And dealing with the people that do it is a fucking pain in the ass too. They take your money. And then it gets like half done and then you take.
Again. Hold on. GTX. Super Commando. Yep. Sand B5 blue. Speed. Original color. Original paint.
Yeah. B5.
You can always tell a repaint, like a B5, right? It doesn't have that light looking blue. Yeah. You can tell. That's what I asked you because I could tell.
It's been repainted, but yeah.
Yeah.
Got new quarters.
Oh yeah.
A lot of work on this one.
Yeah, but
Motor.
not too many GTXs around.
No. More Road Runners.
No. Yeah. Nice
I thought I
though.
had to have one.
Yeah. That's nice. Couple GMCs and Chevys. She's running hot. You can hear it ticking. The heads. Headers. Headman headers. That is big. If you guys are into C10s, there you go. Nice and clean. Excellent. And now we'll. Oh yeah. Nice Ford. Oh, she's running rich.
Oh no, they're like my I don't have curriculum. Get it?
I didn't even see this shit up. 65. Yeah. Now there's Giovanni, another banner. Love this Ford. Love the old look of the Fords. That's a nice looking. Paint's gorgeous. Paint looks wet. Yeah. You know what it needs? and pinstriping. Yeah, that's Giovanni right there. Alright, let's go back. Black and green. Are you going this way?
I'm going whichever way you're going, man.
See if anybody's else.
Color.
Back. And there's CJ's Jeep, my van, and Giovanni's van. And then there's this Nova. Get out. It's a hatchback. You can tell original vinyl roof by the coloring and the wrinkles. Yeah. It's a nice Nova. 70. Yeah. And then there's Giovanni's van. So Giovanni just put on new rims. Yeah, he just put on 5 stars. American Racing. Big white wall tires. Hey, Chicano. Hey. Yeah. That's pretty. Yeah. Giovanni's. And then there's mine. So we'll talk to you in a bit. So my buddy CJ wants me to pinstripe that tonight. His engine cover, which I will do. And oh, hey Giovanni, how are you, sweet? Long time no see.
How you doing, buddy?
Good, how are you?
See my wheels?
Yeah, I know.
White wheels.
Huge.
See you, buddy.
Hey,
How are you, man?
Good.
How's things?
Good.
Hey, I got some stuff for you. I got a vest.
Yeah.
It's too small for me, and a rain jacket. Want them?
Good.
Okay. Tight.
I hear ya. So, yeah. I gave this to Giovanni. I didn't know if it was too ravey for mine, you know what I mean? Like that spotlight right there, yeah. Wondering if any Vanners are coming out. There's her first. He just spotted up. An 84, 85.
Anybody else coming down?
I have no idea, man. Hey. I haven't really shown you guys the mural. I'm just cooking some food on the EcoFlow. EcoFlow is handling good. There we go. Turn it a little bit up. Got the bed all made. Let's go see the bed. Let's see some of this. I'm gonna do some of this with you guys and finish this off. Yeah. I gotta finish the mural off. So, and of course the back doors.
It was the first thing I got.
This is what a lot of people miss. Everybody looks at it, but they miss the background, right?
Yeah, I'm like, all right, you're doing the other side. He's like, seriously? I'm like, yeah, man.
And another thing, they miss the sword.
Right there.
All the detail, even in the belt.
That's what I want.
Crazy, huh?
There you go.
Yeah. There's my magazine rack. I want to paint this mirror. I want to put my table right here. Fold out table. Here's my fine line tape. And yeah, here's the bed. This thing is huge, comfy. It's so comfy. And as you see the back drapes, you can't see nothing. There's a lightsaber. But yeah, there's the wing. Yep.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I went to Ontario. I picked these up out there for $200.
Hey, how are you
Shake and bake,
doing?
buddy, shake and bake.
Right on. Yeah. So, still got a lot of doing to this. I'm gonna paint more. Almost done, and then clear, and then work on the bottom half. Yeah. Slowly but for sure. Be back.